welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy new year. Oh my gosh, guys, we made it. We have made it. We are alive and we are ready to take on this year. First of all, guys, we've reached 100 subscribers. How cool is that? We did it! 100 subscribers. Oh gosh, thank you. Thank you for subscribing to the new subscribers. Thank you for your continuous support, guys. Like, I really appreciate it. And I also want to send a special shout out to my cousins. They surprised me with a lunch celebration of this milestone of reaching 100 subscribers. Yeah, no, thank you Mpuse, thank you Mkhadi, thank you Sistonke, Nunuza, Rubes, thank you. So today's video is going to be simple and short, I hope. We are going to style these box braids into Bantu knots. So I've seen photos of how to style box braids and I feel like there hasn't been enough of Bantu knots in those pictures. And I think for something so simple and short, non-time consuming, I expected that to be there a little bit more. So I'm going to show you guys how to style box braids into Bantu knots. First up, you are going to need styling gel. This one is running out at the moment, so I have this on standby. And yeah, so let's get it. I'm just gonna tie the back of my hair so it doesn't get in the way. Make sure that your styling gel is close by and your brush, right? So let me start off with this one. So you're going to take, you see it's worn out a bit, you can see the growth from the scalp of my hair to where the hairpiece starts. So you're gonna twist the braid, right, and then do this, like this. And then make sure that as you go along, you tuck the braid underneath the part that is already rolled over. It just helps secure the knot, because I'm not planning on using any rubber bands or ribbons. Just taking it underneath there to secure it, and just like that, it's nice and tightened up. All right, I'm gonna do this other one as well. This one, you apply the styling gel around, you apply and press down the hair, and then you take your brush, you brush the hair. It just helps it sleek down and look fresh. So fresh as in like it's not an old hairstyle. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave a little bit of hair for the edges, but yeah. And then you take the braid, you twist it while it's up like this before you roll it down. Like, you twist it like this basically, and then to a state where it's comfortable and not too tight. Then you start laying it down and rolling it. And remember, I said, like, you make sure that it goes underneath because it helps secure it. I'm gonna do the third one. And you can twist it in any direction really, so it doesn't have to be one direction. Yes, so I'm gonna do the rest of my head and so now I've done my whole head. I'm just gonna refine the edges. So in the middle of that, I ran out of the Echo Styler. So now I'm doing my edges with the Soft and Free. And yeah. And here is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. I totally love it. It took me, I mean, less than 15 minutes. At most, I'll say less than 30 minutes. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. And if you try it out, let me know how it went. And yeah, man, thank you so much for watching. Oh, and before I forget, like if you have smaller box braids, you can just combine 3, twist and do the same thing. So yeah, man, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.